Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at our 10 times tables, and don't forget you can practice on Times Table Rockstars. Your username and password was in your first pack that you got back in January, and if you can't remember it or you can't find it, just send me a message on Tapestry and I will send it to you. You can also go on hit the button and that will be games that we play in class and you can practice your times tables on there. But before you do that, let's have a look at today then. So here are our 10 times table. So let's say it together. Are we ready? 10 times 0 is 0. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. And 10 times 10 is 100. Well done if you did that. So it's just like counting in tens, isn't it? Okay, but if we know we've got 5 lots of 10, then we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we can use our fingers to help us with that. So let's have a look at this question then. Let me put my pen on so I can point to it. Okay, so how many cookies are there? So each jar has got 10 cookies in them. Okay, so how many jars do we have? Count how many jars we have first of all. So yeah, we've got 6 jars, haven't we? We've got 6 jars of 10, so it would be 6 times 10. So can you count in tens to find out how many jars there are already? We'll do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Well done. So there are 60 cookies. So it's 6 because we've got 6 jars. It's times by 10 because there's 10 cookies, and that equals 60. So there are 60 cookies. Well done. We can also look at it in a bar model as well. So again, it's just times in by 10, but we know the answer is 40. But how many times are we timesing by 10? So how many parts do we have in the bar model? Yeah, we've got 4, haven't we? We've got 4 parts in the bar model. So it's 4 times 10 equals 40. Perfect. Oh, I've popped the bottom one on there as well. To sneaky leak, we can have a sneaky peek at it. So we've got 7 lots this time. 7 times 10, which is 70. Okay, see if you can have a go at this one and I'll read it to you. Eva is 7 years old. Her gran is 10 times older. How old is Eva's gran? So we know Eva is 7. We know her gran is 10 times older. So we need to do 7 times 10. So pause the video and have a go at 7 times 10. So we know 7 times 10 is 70. So Eva's gran is 70 years old. Well done if you said that. So I want you to have a go at drawing a bar model this time. So if I go back to the bar model, like this, okay, just to remind you. So I want you to draw a bar model that represents 5 times 10, okay? So you need 5 parts, and in each part is going to be 10, and then your whole is going to be whatever 5 times 10 is. So can you draw a bar model to show me 5 times 10? Pause the video and off you go. Okay, so I will put my other pen on for this one. And I'm going to draw my bar model like so. Okay, I'm sure yours is lovely and neat compared to mine, and it's got nice straight lines. So I need to do 5 parts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in each part, we're going to do 10. Hopefully you've done that. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job, am I, here, Miss Creaser? Come on. And then 10 in there. It's quite tricky with my pen. I'll blame my mouse on my computer. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The whole is 50. Give yourselves a big tick if you managed to do that. Well done. Okay, right. Practicing your 10 times table now then. So you need to pause the video and work out the answers to all of these. So all it is your 10 times table. So remember, you can use your fingers. So for example, if it says 2 times 10, hold 2 fingers up and count in tens 2 times. So we'd go 10, 20. There we go. We've done the first one together. So pause the video. Off you go. Okay, here are the answers. So you can give yourself a big tick if you've got those right. So 2 times 10 is 20. 70 equals 7 times 10, because remember it's just the other way around to put the whole at the beginning. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 11 is 110. 80 equals 8 times 10. 100 equals 10 times 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 0 is 0, because whenever we times by 0, it's 0. 30 equals 10 times 3. And the last one, 9 times 10 equals 90. Give yourselves a big tick if you got that. If you didn't manage to get some of them, maybe ask your grown-up for a little bit of help, or get in touch on Tapestry if you need to. Okay, so that's all for today. Like I say, get on Times Table Rockstars to help you, and also hit the button. Any problems, do get in touch. Take care, everyone.